So this is another question from IIT JEE PYQ. The question is from the chapter friction. Here is the question: a block of mass 1 kg lies on horizontal surface in a truck, and the coefficient of static friction between the block and the surface is 0.6. What is the force of friction on the block if the acceleration of the truck is 5 meter per second square? Okay, let me draw the situation here. If this is a truck, okay, if this is a truck and it is moving in the forward direction with an acceleration a बराबर 5 meter per second square, okay, and there is a block of mass 1 kg that is placed on it, and the coefficient of friction between them is what? That mu is equal to 0.6. okay. So here let me draw all the forces acting on this block. So one force will be in downward direction, that is due to this gravitational pull. The weight of this 1 kg object, that is 1 multiplied g, that is only g, that means 10 Newton, and 1 will be the normal force. And here frictional force will be acting, if static friction will be acting in the forward direction, that will be providing it the acceleration that is equal to 5 meter per second square. Okay, so let me consider the maximum value of static friction force here. F maximum will be equal to mu multiply this normal force. So here value of mu is given at 0.6, and the maximum value that normal force is equal to 10 Newton. So the maximum value of static friction is equal to 0.6 multiply 10, that is equal to 6 Newton. Okay, but let me consider the situation that the block is moving with an acceleration of, this is 1 kg block, it is moving with an acceleration of 5 meter per second square in the forward direction. So what is the force required to move it with an acceleration of 5 meter per second square? So that force will be equal to what? This m into a, that is what? M is 1 multiply this 5 meter per second square, that is 5 Newton only. So as we know, static friction की वैल्यू वेरी करती है अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन, दैट इट ऑलवेज प्रिवेंट्स द रिलेटिव स्लाइडिंग बिटवीन द टू बॉडीज. तो यहाँ पे जो स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन की वैल्यू है वो या तो 6 के बराबर होगा या फिर 6 से छोटा होगा, बट यहाँ पे रिक्वायरमेंट कितने फोर्स की है हमें? दैट इज इक्वल टू 5 न्यूटन ओनली. हमें 5 न्यूटन फोर्स चाहिए इसको 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर से चलाने के लिए, तो हमें उतना ही फोर्स लगाना होगा. तो स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन की वैल्यू आएगी इसके अंदर ओनली 5 न्यूटन, नॉट इक्वल टू 6 न्यूटन. सो हियर स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन विल बी इक्वल टू 5 न्यूटन. ओके, सो आवर 5 न्यूटन इज द करेक्ट आंसर, दैट इज ऑप्शन ए.